Good afternoon, everybody, children. Today, I would like to explain the solution of simple equations into most complicated type problems. If you understand this, you would be learned solving any simple equation which will be given to you. So, please look at the board. I am going to explain the problem. The problem what I am going to explain here is the given simple equation is 8 into x minus 3 minus of 6 minus 2x equals to 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x. This is the given equation which we need to solve. First of all, you know the distributive law over addition and subtraction. Like a into b minus c, we can write it as ab minus ac, which is called left distributive law over subtraction. So I'll get 8 into x minus 3 as 8 into x 8x minus 8 into 3 24. The same thing I am writing in the solution, 8x minus 24. Now again, before 6 minus 2x I have minus sign, so each and every term of the bracket it has to be multiplied with this minus. So I will be getting minus 6 minus into minus plus 2x is equal to, you can see another distributive law. Suppose if you have a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac, which is already noted as left distributive law over addition. So 2 into x plus 2 can be expanded as 2 into x 2x plus 2 2s are 4. The same thing I am writing here also. I will be getting 2x plus 4. And before this 5 minus x, I had minus 5. So each and every term of this bracket we should multiply with minus 5. We will be getting minus 5 into 5 minus 25 minus 25 minus 5 into minus x plus 5x. So what I had, children? I had 8x minus 24 minus 6 plus 2x equal to 2x plus 4 minus 25 plus 5x. In this, 8x and 2x are like terms at the left hand side. 2x and 5x are the like terms at the right hand side. So what we will be getting, I am going to the next page, 8x plus 2x, which will be given as 10x. Next, minus 24 minus 6 will be minus 30 equals to 2x plus 5x is 7x plus 4 minus 25 is minus 21. So I got now 10x minus 30 is equal to 7x minus 21. In this 10x and 7x are like terms. Minus 30 and minus 21 are the like terms. So in the previous session we had studied that when you have like terms are involved in the simple equations, we need to group them. So 7x should be brought to left side and minus 30 should be sent to right hand side. We will be getting 10x minus 7x is equal to minus 21 plus 30. Then now 10x minus 7x is 3x is equal to minus 21 plus 30 is plus 9. Then if I want to solve the given simple equation, I need to find the value of the variable x. For that I should make it as subject. So 3 has to be sent to right side. By sending 3 to right side, I'll get x is equal to 9 by 3, which implies I can write x is equal to 3 ones are 3 threes are, both 9 and 3 will go in 3 table cancellation. So x is equal to 3 be the solution. I got the solution now. Now I can verify whether this answer is correct or not. I am doing verification. Let me write the equation again. 8 into x minus 3 minus of 6 minus 2x equals to 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x. Now wherever we have x, in place of the variable x, I should substitute 3 because 3 is the solution. So 8 into 3 minus 3 minus of 6 minus 2x means 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 2 into x plus 2, 3 plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x is 5 minus 3. Now what I have here in the next step, 8 into 3 minus 3 is 0 minus 6 minus 6 is 0 is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 5s is 10. So I have 10, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 into minus 5 is 10. You know, here we got 8 into 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0 is equal to plus 10 minus 10 gets cancelled, 0 remains. Now I have both LHS values and RHS values are equal, so I can write LHS is equal to RHS. With this I can write that hence proved. The solution of the problem is absolutely correct because we got both LHS values and RHS values are same. I hope you have understood how to solve this simple equation involving many number of terms. Thank you, children.